Hey guys, it's me, Melissa Howley, and today I wanted to talk about what we have going on tomorrow for Color Street's big birthday bash. So if you are just finding me now, if someone shared this message, and guys, thank you so much if you do share and let people know we get a party going on. My name is Melissa Howley. I'm an independent Color Street nail stylist, and I work for a company that is celebrating their first birthday tomorrow. So I've got some fun surprises in store for you guys, and I want to make sure that you guys are over in the right spot to join me for that. So right now I'm live on my business page, and that's not where the party's going to be. So if you want to make sure you're at the party, then you want to go to my Facebook group. So it's just facebook.com/groups/sassy girl nails. And if you go over there and request to join, I will let you in, and make sure you do that soon so that way you don't miss out on any of the activities. And it's actually going to start now. So we've got a few things that I've got planned for you guys. One is I have, because we're talking about a party, right? And I think, because I have kids, I think you have to have games at parties. And of course, stuff to give away, which is going to be nail sets. We're talking about nail polish here, guys, if you're new and you're not sure what I'm talking about when I say Color Street. But don't worry, because the party that I have planned for you guys is also kind of catered to people who have never tried the product before. So you will learn all about the product when you join me for tomorrow's party. But one of the things I'm going to start now is a party or a game for you guys, which is, we can't really do pin the tail on the donkey. And I think many of us are probably a little old for that game anyway. But what we can do is do my form of bingo. So I'm going to show you guys the bingo card. I wanted to explain it to you because pretty soon I'm going to post that into the Facebook group. And I just want to make sure you guys are aware of how that's going to work. So I have a picture of it here. I'm going to pop up here for you guys to see. Let's talk about what you guys can do to help me spread the word about our birthday bash and also maybe earn some free nail sets. So there's a few different things you can do. One is if you just participate with any of these boxes, if you fulfill any of these boxes, you will be entered into a giveaway to earn a free set of Color Street nail polish. Other things that you can do is if you complete a full row. So for instance, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, don't worry, I'm going to provide links to all of this when you go and look for this image in my Facebook group. So later today, I'm going to post this graphic and I will have links to all the things that you can do to basically fill up your scorecard here. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't checked it out, definitely go there because I do offer a lot of videos on how to apply Color Street. And also, I've also shown things like my journey since I started from the first day of being a Color Street nail stylist. Posting a new nail fee. So I love to see the nail polish that you guys put on your hands. So if you post a new one, that will tick off that checkbox there. If you buy our French manicures, now with Color Street, all of our French manicures have this promo of buy one, get one free. So if you shop on my website, which is sassygirlnails.com, and you buy 2 French manicures, you get one of them for free. You got to make sure you have 2 in your cart for that promo to work. That will tick off that mark. Another one is to, if you love Color Street and you think that you have some friends or people that might be interested in learning about this magical nail polish that goes on dry, if you friend request me and then just pop my link for my Facebook group onto your timeline and just let people know that this is an amazing product, and if you want to check it out, come join Melissa. That'll fill that box. If you place what I call a party pack order, that is with Color Street, we have a promotion of everything except for French is buy 3, get 1 free. So if you put 4 nail sets into your cart, one of them will zero out and you won't have to pay for that. So if you happen to do a buy 3, get 1 free order, that will check off that box. And that's, of course, the center square. And then also, if you are been a shopper of mine and one thing I would love is if you guys would give me a review on my Facebook business page, which is where I am now. Now, obviously, if you're brand new and you've never shopped with me before, I don't want you to do that. I only want people who have come to appreciate the customer service and support that I offer, because I feel it's very important that I do offer you guys stellar customer service. And if you would just share that and let people know that, that would be awesome. Another box that you could join, you could tick off is by joining my team. So if you are interested in doing what I do, which is basically sharing these product with my network, and then I make a commission off of those sales, and it's just a lot of fun. I learned so much, and I also have just had really great relationships with new people. It's just an amazing opportunity. So if you want to learn more about that, just let me know. Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, that'll check off this box. And if you, the last one is joining my live watch party. So let me talk about that. Let me just get this image off the screen so you can see me again. So tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be doing a live watch party in my Facebook group. And in that, I'm going to be showing you guys a demo of the product. So it's not going to be me live demoing, because I feel like sometimes when I do demos here in this format, you can't really see what I'm doing. So I'm going to actually change my nails tonight, and I'm going to record it so you get a really good view of what I'm doing. And then tomorrow during that watch party, I will be watching it at the same time you guys are. So if you're commenting, I can respond right then and there. So I just think it'd be a nice new format. I've never done a watch party before, so hopefully we don't have any technology glitches, but I think it would be a lot of fun. So anyway, if you watch me during the actual watch party, which is going to be 9 p.m. Eastern tomorrow night on our actual Color Street birthday, then that will check off that box. So for the prizes, basically, if you do any of them, you'll get entered into a giveaway. If you do 2 rows, complete rows, what was it again? I think it was, if you do 1 row, you're going to get a mystery gift from me. So who knows what you'll get, but you will get some surprise in the mail, some happy mail. If you do an X, then you will get a free nail set from me with an accent nail. And if you fill the entire board, I'm going to send you 2 nail sets. So just for playing and filling the board and doing everything, you'll get 2 nail sets. Let's see, what else did I want to share with you guys? So for the demo, do you guys want to know what I'm thinking of doing? So right now, let me show you what I have on. This is a nail set that's been on for over a week. So let me just show you kind of where it's at. Definitely has shown some wear. This has been, I have not been delicate with my nails. I never am. But there is definitely a little bit of wear on the tips. And then also you'll always get that growth at the bottom because your nails are growing, right? But what's great about Color Street is that they are very durable. For me, they hands down are way better than just traditional polish. That never lasts for me. I'm lucky if I get a day. And I pretty much always smudge it. So since these go on dry, they are perfect for me. So let me show you guys what's going on here. So I'm wearing the solid. Isn't that a pretty solid though? That's a nice like sheen on that pink. That's called At the Plaza. And then my little sparkle nail, that's Tokyo Lights. It is one of my favorite sparkly glitter polishes that they have. And it's actually been a top seller since Color Street started almost a year ago. So that is what I'm wearing right now. And you can see on the tips a little bit of wear. What you can do though is also, if you did have showing some signs of wear and tear on your nails, then you could always do a little file at the top. But I did not file these. I wanted to show you guys exactly what they look like after 1 full week. And then let's talk about what I'm going to be doing next. So I've been inspired. Let me show you guys this right here. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see how beautiful this is? I am loving this one. So I don't usually get so daring and creative with a bunch of different colors. And I'm not sure if I will this time either, but I am loving this combination. So on the pointer finger, they're actually using 2 different Color Street nail sets layered on top of each other. The one on the bottom is like a hot pink. It's called Miami Beach. And the one on top is actually this one over on the right, all the way to the right. That's called Blue Lagoon. So some of our nail sets are actually a little bit transparent, and you can layer them on others to get a totally different effect. So Blue Lagoon is one of those. And this one in the middle is the purple is Ibiza Nights. And then that is actually Blue Lagoon over on the other finger, but that's got a double layer. So normally Blue Lagoon is not that vivid of a teal. Let me show you guys an example of what Blue Lagoon looks like when it's not double layered. There we go. So do you guys see how it's semi-transparent? And then if you actually put it on top of each other, I'm doing 2 layers, it is very vivid. So that is how you might see, especially if you're seeing some photographs out there on Instagram of Blue Lagoon and you're like, wow, that's so pretty. It might just have been double layered. So a lot of people have been doing that, and that's really cool. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I am inspired by that. So here's what I have. I've got this right here. This is the Miami Beach, just so you can see what that pink looks like. If hopefully my camera will focus in. Here we go. So that's Miami Beach, right? And then I'm going to layer some of that with Blue Lagoon on top. I don't know if I'm going to use the purple. I don't have any purple in stock, but I do have a purple that I had leftovers from a previous wearing. So I had saved the rest. So I might incorporate that too, but I don't know. And then I'm thinking for this one, for Blue Lagoon, I might do a double layer. So anyway, my video that I'm going to create tonight when I apply these is going to be some myriad of this, basically inspired by this photo that another stylist showed that I think is gorgeous. So if you have any suggestions on what you would do if you had these 3 nail sets at your disposal and you were going to do something tonight, comment below. I would love the suggestions. Now, I know some of you, when you're watching this in my Facebook group, are new because in addition to that bingo card that I just showed you, I also have another promotion going on for the birthday bash, which is for this party that I'm having tomorrow. I'm doing co-hosts. So inside of my group, there's actually a post in there that shows you how to sign up to be a co-host. And if you sign up to be a co-host, that just means that you're letting people know about the party. And if they happen to purchase a buy 3, get 1 free party pack, then I'm going to send you one for free for introducing them to Color Street and just helping me get the word out. So if you're interested in becoming a co-host, you can still do that. Now, obviously, the earlier you join for a co-host, that just means the more time you have to reach out to your friends and let them know about this opportunity. But we are going to have this party is going to be kicking off basically anything that's now happening from now until Saturday, end of day, end of your time. So as long as it's Saturday, whatever, you can make the purchases, you could do any of those activities on the bingo card. All of that will apply for you to get some rewards. And make sure you join me throughout the day tomorrow as well on my group, because I might just have a few more surprises for you up my sleeves. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to be part of this amazing company. I can't believe how much growth they've seen in this first year. It's still ground floor opportunity. So if you are interested in joining, let me know. And let me just show you, if you do join, basically it is $129 and you receive this starter kit, which comes with 10 full sets. And don't forget, I said that earlier, if you happen to join my team during this promotion period, you're also going to get 2 other nail sets sent to you as a gift from me. So that would be 12 full nail sets for $129. Plus all these other amazing supplies, like 70 of those samples. You get nail files. You get pretty much everything you need to start a Color Street business. Plus, if you join my team, you get me. I know many of you, if you are technology challenged, if you're like, how am I going to do this? I also have set up a group so that it actually will show you how to do everything, how to set up a Facebook page, how to get your website up and running. And of course, we would work together one-on-one to get you up and running too. So if you want to be a rebel, that's what my group is. We're the Team Polished Rebels. You'll see I already have a group set up with albums that basically when you click through, there's information on how to create a nail bar, how to, there's actually parties that are already ready for you. And also I have videos on most of these things that you would be setting up. So I try to make it easy and fun. And anyway, if you want more information, just let me know. I'm here to answer your questions. But make sure you guys go over to my group if you're not a member already. Again, it's facebook.com/groups/sassy girl nails, and join me for the party. And let me know if you have any questions at all, because again, I'm always here to help you guys. And for those of you that have been requesting samples, because if you haven't tried the product before, I love to send samples so that you guys can see what all this magic is about, because it really is awesome that this nail polish that you put on dry and it lasts for up to 14 days. So if you've never tried it before, when you go to my group, I will tag you on where you can request your own free sample. And for all of those of you that have just requested samples, because I've been shipping a ton of them since we started this co-host program, they were all shipped either the day you signed up or the next day if it was late in the evening when you signed up. So all of your samples up to this point have been shipped, and make sure that you post a picture of your, even if you have nail fee with just your samples, that counts. So if you post a picture of your hands to my Facebook group, that will get you an entry into my monthly entry, which I do every month, of winning a free nail set. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and please join me tomorrow as we celebrate Color Street's first birthday. Bye!